Which type of reset should I use to fix my device's issues, a factory reset or a hard reset?
Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss an essential topic for any tech user out there: how to reset your device. More specifically, we will clarify when you should perform a factory reset and when a hard reset might be the better option.
What is a factory reset?
A factory reset, also known as a master reset, is a software restore that brings your device back to its original system state by erasing all of the information stored on the device. This means it deletes all data, including the applications, settings, and personal files that you have installed or added. The main reason you might want to perform a factory reset is if you're experiencing significant issues with your device that cannot be solved through other troubleshooting methods, or if you're preparing to sell or give away your device.
What is a hard reset?
On the other hand, a hard reset, also known as a power reset or a system reset, is a hardware operation that reboots your device without affecting any software or data stored on it. Essentially, it clears the memory and shuts down all running processes, giving your device a fresh start. Hard resets can be used to solve minor issues like a device freezing, slowing down, or not responding, or to troubleshoot problems that prevent the device from starting or running correctly.
Which reset should I use?
It really depends on the type of issue you're dealing with. For minor issues, such as your device not responding or lagging, a hard reset is often enough. It's a quick and easy way to give your device a fresh start without losing any data. If you're experiencing major issues, such as severe software problems, or if you're preparing to sell or give away your device, a factory reset is the way to go. This will wipe your device clean, removing any potentially problematic data and settings, and leaving it as it was when you first bought it. Just remember, a factory reset will delete everything on your device, so make sure to back up any important data before proceeding. So, there you have it. Now you know the difference between a hard reset and a factory reset, and when to use each one. Remember, a hard reset is usually sufficient for minor problems, while a factory reset can solve more serious issues but will wipe all data from your device. We hope this video has helped clarify these two types of device resets for you. Happy troubleshooting!